So has this happened to your door? It's come off the roller up the top? Stick around, I'll show you how I'm going to fix mine. Alright, let me show you what's going on. Don't worry about the blue tape, I'll describe what that's for in a little bit. So here's what's going on. Here's the little fixture on the top of the door. It has this little hinged clip that actually clips onto this once it's sitting in the fixture. So this is a threaded piece, and it typically will connect into, or it should connect into, a roller, which is right here. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see if I can get the camera. There it is, right there. You can see the roller is still in there. It has a hole where that post screws into, and then there is a screw here which stops the roller from coming out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the roller out, and I'm going to put the post back in. I'm going to use some Loctite to tighten it in there and keep it there. And then I'm going to align it with this and try to get it catched on. And that's why I have this blue tape here. That's showing me roughly where this is aligned with where the post is going to be as that roller is at the far edge. And then what I'm going to use is I got this little thing, which came from my grill, and it came with my grill, and I have no idea what it is for. But I'm thinking that what I'll do is once this door is up, let me show you how that door goes up. Oh, it's heavy with one hand, but there you go. Obviously, I won't be able to get my finger up there. Oh, I can in this case, but it's probably because the door is pushed back a little bit. But I won't be able to get my finger up there to latch that. So what I'm hoping to do is put this up there, have it kind of pre-aligned, catch it on there, and then pull it forward and try to get it latched. So I've got two ends. So I don't know. We'll see how it works. So stick around. Let's check it out. All right, got the screw out. Let's get the roller out. Just comes off. Boom. There it is. Ta-da. Here's that little hujamwat. I'll put some Loctite in it. This piece comes off, but it just reseats back in there. Only goes on one way. So I'm doing this with one hand in the camera. So let me go do that, get some Loctite on there, and then I'll pick it up in a minute. All right, so here we go. Not that you don't know how to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. Just kind of use up video time here. There you go, get a little on there. Like I said, this piece only goes on one way. It's got these little grooves here, so that'll go on that way. Now, the thing I'm concerned about is I don't know how far this needs to go on, but when I tried it earlier, it kind of went on and stopped. So I'm just going to put it kind of snug, and hopefully that's enough. It goes through the metal, obviously. I don't think that the metal is necessarily threaded, but then it's into the plastic. And I got it in a few rotations anyhow. I'm using blue Loctite. Oops. Now I'll go put it back up on there, and then try to get that aligned and get it hooked. Wish me luck. Kind of simple and effective that they're using that as a block. I'll make sure it's just snug. Obviously it doesn't have to go all the way in. It just has to go up enough to be snug so that it stops the roller. All right, now I'll probably need Ellen for this, so I'm gonna wait till she comes back and have her hold the camera while I struggle with the door. Okay, so before you ask, you're probably wondering why you wouldn't just attach the roller here and then just move the door or the roller past the end of the roller guide rail, put it up and then slide it back over. Well, you can't do that because the end of the rail is right here and the roller is all the way here. So you can't move the door far enough right because this stops it. So the only alternative, if you did want to do it that way, is to take this off or this off. Not difficult to do, but you're going to have to do a little bit more work, and what I'm trying to do is avoid that. So I just wanted to explain that, and that's why I'm doing it the way I'm doing, trying to save myself some work and some likely repair, because you're going to pop those finish nails off and you probably have to touch up some paint, and I'm lazy. All right, so I've got the pin back up on there. I'm going to move it all the way to the block, and now I'm going to try to seat the pin into this. And what I've done is, rather than trying to, once I've got this up like that, rather than trying to hunt this hook in there, I've put it on there and I've used some blue painter's tape to kind of attach with the hope that it'll stay on while I'm doing this work, and then I'll just pull it and close the latch and we'll be done. So let's see how it goes. Oh, missed it. It's gonna take a few tries. Oh man. Let's see. I might be a little bit too far back. Oh, that sounded like it was it. Nope. Oh, there you go. All right, so it is on. Now I'm gonna try to pull this forward. Nope. Oh, well, it did latch it. It did everything I wanted it to do, but it pulled out of the roller. So let me go put that back in, and probably have to screw it in a little bit more and try it again. Okay, all right, so second time. So what I notice is when I put that in, I cranked it in a bit more this time and it seems to be tighter. If this fails again, I'm just gonna go strong arm it. I'll use some JB Weld. Nothing will never come off. But for now, we're gonna try it again. All right, so it is on. Now let's see if I can get it latched. Oh man, there it is. Yep, did I get it? I don't know. Nope, guess not. So, let's see, what is it? Third time's a charm? Let's see if I can just get this on there again. Let's see if I can just, without having to tape it this time. Make sure it rolls all the way to the end, save the extra effort. Okay, so it is definitely on there. Looks to be on there. It's tough to see. I could use my scope camera and maybe get a view, but I'm gonna just guesstimate it now. I can tell that it's not latched. It's almost latched. But I do have the hook on there. Just can't get it. I need to put pressure that way, and it's not letting me do that. I've got these pair of pliers. Maybe that will reach. That's definitely tighter. I don't know that I like the alignment, but it's not hitting the wall. And it hits the wall a little bit. Yeah, I don't think that I'm actually on it. I think that I might be more on the hook than in the little area that the pin's supposed to go in. And that might be why I can't get the hook to come all the way forward. Push that back. Yeah, that's what it was. Oops, scratched the door, but you won't see that. All right. So, third time, fourth time's a charm. And I'm just stupid enough to, you know, spend 2 hours doing it. Well, now the door, oh, you know what? I don't know that's on there. Can't really see it. Let's see if I get up there. Maybe I can get no, can't get your fingers in there. Of course, it's just like 2 inches too long, too far away. Yeah, I don't think I'm in again. Definitely not, well, it's hitting the door way out on this piece of trim. Now the hook's too far back. I'm locking out. You can see it. Oh, you're pulled out again. All right, JB Weld it is. Okay, so 90th try. Because like I said, I'm stupid enough to do it all day. I will not be beaten. JB Weld is on there. And of course it's more difficult now for some reason. I don't think I'm lifting up high enough. Ah, and then the hook comes off. Figures, right? But now I know I'm not on the hook. Yeah, because it's not even coming close to the wall at all. So I'm definitely in the right spot and I can see the hook. So I'm gonna try it. So JB Weld, WD-40 and duct tape. That's all you need to fix your RV. Oh, I can see the hook. And I got it. Simulated highway driving.
I was gonna say, stop shaking it, makes it fall off.
So I got the hook. That was easy. So I guess the main problem was that it wasn't being held into the roller strong enough, which is the original problem. And then my fix for it was, which was just Loctite and screwing it into the nylon a bit more. There must just not have been enough material left in the nylon to hold it tight. So I put some JB Weld. You'll see there's a hole on the top. I put some JB Weld in there, and I put it also on the other side where the threads would go in. Screwed it in there, and then I put some JB Weld around the perimeter of the shank against the roller, the fixture that it's screwing into. Then I had the putty JB Welds, and that's set up in like 5 minutes. And I think I've got it in. It's definitely, I've got the clearance between the wall and the door now, where I wasn't getting it before, which tells me I was on the hook and not into the fixture. But now it is aces. I'll take this tape off, and of course this tape goes up and over the edge. So there you go. Done. 5 minute fix. See ya. All right, I kind of wanted to show you what I got up there, the anatomy of the connector and stuff. Here's my inspection camera. So this is the roller here, and this is the shank, obviously, that screws into it, screws into this nylon. where this screws into, there's a hole in the nylon. I put some JB Weld in there, and then I also put some JB Weld around here. I don't know if it really attached well to the metal here, but whatever. It's holding tight now. This is the bottom of that little shank that comes in underneath this. So this is the top of the door, and this is the rail here, just to give you orientation. And then this is that little clip lever hinge thing that I had to pull across. And so that little hook that I was using, I was hooking on this piece here. And that's how I fixed it. There you go. Alright, so that was a bit of a hack, but it's no worse than the original implementation that some of these manufacturers do. So how that thing broke in the first place is anybody's guess. It could be that the screw part wasn't enough into the nylon to begin with, or maybe it was in there and just going down the road just bounced out, broke the threads, etc. Whatever, even though it was a hack, it should be effective. That JB Weld should hold things together. So if you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like more content like this, give it a subscribe, and if you think anybody else will get value from it, please share it out. Oh, one other thing, you saw that I had that inspection camera. That costs 135 bucks on Amazon, and I use it all the time in the rig just to trace out where wires are going and stuff like that, so well worth it. I put an affiliate link down below. If you click on that, you can buy it. I get a small commission because it's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you any more to use that. So take a look at that. Probably get some other links down there too, some other stuff, and I'll be doing a couple more tech videos in the next couple weeks. I got some roof work that I've done, and I've got an upgrade to the controller that I'll be doing. So if you like that kind of stuff, stick around, hit the notification bell, that kind of stuff. All right, man, thanks a lot. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.